It was at this time in my life that I was to learn that one drink is too many, but two is never enough.
What is this? That wagon without the wheels. That's not a wagon without wheels. That little trunk contains all my essentials so that I can be a soldier away from home.
My pa was very unhappy with the thought of my joining the militia. I prayed for hostilities to commence so I could be a hero. Why does the Lord let some men that want to forget remember, while some that want to remember forget? He slumped and fell off the rock. It is the first dead soldier I would see. I was to see thousands before this war ended. In a weak voice, a Yankee lying on the field that morning was begging for water. "I owe you, Johnny. Thank you." "Then you can repay me soon, Billy Yank. When you see Sergeant William Todd from my regiment, tell him I miss him terribly." I stayed with him, for I saw he would depart the living very soon.